C#, a statically typed general-purpose programming language famous for being the workhorse of the Windows.NET framework. C# code is compiled into an intermediate language, which can then be interpreted by the Common Language Runtime, where it can be executed as native machine code on any operating system without the need to recompile. It's a memory-safe language thanks to garbage collection, although it is possible to create an unsafe context if you want to allocate your own memory with pointers. To get started, install the .NET Core SDK, then open the terminal to an empty directory and run .NET New to create a new application. That creates a program.cs file that imports the system namespace at the top, then provides a class with a main function, which is where your code will start executing. Declare a variable by starting with a type followed by a name and value. By default, a value cannot be null, but you can make it nullable by adding a question mark to the type. Now, to organize our code and share it in other files, we will wrap it in a namespace. We can then create a new class inside the namespace that has a constructor when the class is instantiated and a destructor when the class goes out of scope. Classes support inheritance, polymorphism, and everything else you would expect in a modern object-oriented language. We can define a property on the class and make it readable with get or writable with set. However, it does support Lambda expressions or anonymous functions and other functional programming patterns. Now, to compile and execute your code, use the .NET Run command.